Hey there, this is Tara with WTI. We have a special little friend who has just started to enjoy doing puzzles. And so I really like this Melissa and Doug chunky wood piece puzzle. This is the Safari. What's so nice is that these pieces are big and thick. They're made out of wood that are painted, but yet it matches to the picture that is on the wood board. So it's kind of like a match game, but at the same time, it's a puzzle piece because you have to get the pieces to fit in exactly the right way. And it's so cute because it comes with all the individual animals. You can also teach them the animals and say, well, where's the alligator? And then have them match it up. So if you are looking for like a first time puzzle for some little ones in your life, this one is nice. It's really strong, durable. It's gonna hold up for a long, long time. And our little one in our life really likes it. And that is just my point of view.